Hi friends, last video on the periodic table, we're talking about the fourth trend, reactivity, metal reactivity, metallic character. Okay, so how and why metallic properties and reactivity change as we go up and down and across a period. Great images. I want to find you for the electron shielding is the rule of the day. I also want to point out there's some reactivity trends here. As you go down, reactivity increases, and as you cross, reactivity decreases for the metals. But for the non-metals, it's as you go down, it decreases, and as you go across, it increases. So the metal and non-metals, you can't really compare them because they are different things. Okay, so we're going to be looking at those properties and trends today. For reactivity, we're going to have, it's the ability or the desire for an element to go through a chemical change or react with another element. Metals are losers when it comes to electrons. They have no ability to hold on to them. Non-metals are bullies. They're winners. They steal. So you can't compare the two. They're totally different types of elements. Now metals, the most reactive one is francium or cesium. That's your Easter egg here. Tell me what the most reactive metal that we can have in the lab is. As you go across a period, reactivity decreases. The reason why is that they have an increased nuclear charge and shielding does not increase. What you might say, I don't understand what you're talking about, Mr. MoNaCo. Great graphic here. The inner electrons between the outer electrons here are running interference. The more of these that you have, the more shells of electrons that you have, the less the outer electrons in the nucleus are able to feel each other and pull. So that's the whole shielding issue. As you go down a group, reactivity increases, and the reason why is that we have increased shielding. Now for the nonmetals, the most reactive nonmetal is fluorine. As you go across a period, reactivity increases until you get to the noble gases, which are unreactive. That's kind of like the end of the periodicity. So as you go to the end, boom, then you got to start over on the next row. The reason, again, is related back to that shielding. Increased nuclear charge and shielding does not increase. So you go down a group, reactivity actually decreases for the nonmetals. And the reason is that that electron shielding is increased. There's more shells running interference inside. Therefore, the outside electrons in the nucleus don't feel each other so well. This is a quick rundown for all the things that you should be able to do now in the videos for the unit. Please feel free to go back and watch them as many times as you want to really understand everything. With this last little piece of information, you should be able to finish up any other missing packet pages in our practice pack. And of course, please pay attention to the importance of all your POGIL activities. Thanks everybody for your time. Have a good day.